Hi everyone, if you're interested in getting remote jobs or work from home opportunities, in this channel I used to provide information related to different job leads for different profiles and most of the job leads are global while many of them are from India. So no matter what is your geographic location, you can check out my channel to find the job lead as per your skill and interest area. And here's my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about companies that are almost always hiring. And here, first company is Here's the company's website. So if you already have some experience of working as a telecaller and you have a good communication skill, you can apply and you can check out the details. However, if you don't know anything and you are just a fresher, you are just a college graduate or a 12th pass student, or a housewife, you can still check out the details here. And the most important thing is that you are not required to have a laptop or like any kind of desktop. If you only have your mobile phone, you can still check out the details and apply for the job because here you just need to download the app and start. First, you will be getting training. You will be getting trained by the company, and then you can start working. So the company's name is Futwork. And here, if we talk about the details, the company offers opportunities to get a full-time work from home telecalling job. And here you can work, and here you can create your career from the comfort of your home by signing up as an agent on Futwork. So what you can do, you can just download the app, Futwork app, and then you can complete all the like certification and you can complete all the sign up process, and then start you can start with the app. You don't need to go anywhere. You just need to use your mobile phone. And so the company basically offers dedicated one-on-one training with professional coach, placement assistance, and guidance from a team leader. So here you will be first getting trained by like a professional coach, and then you will be getting placement assistance. So basically, the company has tied up with different other companies and offers placement assistance to its candidates. They will guide you to get a job. So here you will be basically working as a like telecaller for maybe supporting the team, supporting the customers, or like customer service kind of roles. So it can be either where you will be working as a telecaller, or you will be working through your phone. You will be calling your customers, or you will be calling people to make them understand about the product, about the services. So it can be either. The most interesting part here is that you will not be required to pay any kind of fees or any kind of charges. So it is totally absolutely free, and you can just download the Footwork app, and you can complete the free certification and start with the company. So if you don't know anything and you're not having any good communication skills, or also you have zero experience, you're a fresher, you're a college student, so you can still check out the role. Here you will be working from the comfort of your home. You can begin working on Footwork with zero investment. So all you need is the mobile app and a quiet place to work. So you will not be required to commute to anywhere, to any place, and you can work from home here. And also this is a flexible opportunity, so you can work either part-time, so you can work at any time of the day. You can create your own schedule. Now here they have written that you can earn 2 times of BPO jobs in India. So this is basically for people located in India. So you can gain experience on Footwork and get placed on higher paying telecalling jobs, and you can get performance bonuses and incentives to earn 2 times of what you would make in a traditional BPO role. So here what will happen, that Footwork will basically train you and improve your communication skills so that you can be a better person, or you can be a better like telecaller, or you can get a better job in future. But with the company, but with Footwork, you will be allowed to getting training, and you can improve your skills, communication skills, and then you can learn about the company, about the role, about the job, and simultaneously you can earn money from home as well. So here you will be learning as well as earning. This like telecalling jobs for everyone. So here they have written the telecalling jobs for everyone. Footwork offers a great work from home career option for everybody. So no matter if you are a housewife, or a retired person, or a fresher, or a recent graduate or returning to the workforce, you will be given all the tools you need to succeed. So because basically company is going to train you anyways, and here unlock more opportunities as you grow. You can become a top performer on Futwork and join their internal team for a full-time role in quality analysis, training, and leadership. If you are a top performer, the company may offer you a full-time opportunity in future in their own teams. So basically so so they used to promote their best performers. If you are interested in telecalling kind of role and you are willing to work from home and you don't have any kind of you don't have any kind of resources like desktop or laptop or anything else, you can still start working through your phone and through your mobile phone, and you can apply for the job. You just need to download the app. There are many people who are always looking for opportunities where they can work using their mobile phones, and they are not having any kind of like laptop or job. So this is a great opportunity for people who are who only have their mobile phones, and they are looking to earn money from in their free time, or like they are looking for some kind of like part-time roles. Also they wish to like improve their communication skills. So this is a great opportunity, this is a great platform for you, and you can just download the app and you can start working with the company. You can start learning with the company, you can getting trainings, and you can then apply for different roles. So in future you can, once you start with the company, they will train you as well as they will offer you the opportunity part-time roles or flexible roles where you can work and earn money as well. Later on, when you think that you have gained a lot of knowledge and your communication skills have like improved, you can then switch over into any high paying BPO or any other like telecalling kind of jobs that are available in the market. So then at that time you will be properly trained by the company. You can switch over to any like high paying jobs. And if this opportunity interests you, you can apply. CrewBloom. The company is into remote staffing solutions, and the company offers remote job opportunities and different for different profiles and to people from different part of the world. Now here's the company's website. You can check out the website. So here, hire remote staff without hassle. So the companies that are looking for remote staff, that are looking for remote employees, they used to connect with CrewBloom. Here's the company's website, and so these are the current openings that you can check. Depending on your geographic location or the type of profile you are looking for, you can select from here and you can check out any job opportunity. All these jobs are remote jobs. Here it is like Chief Marketing Officer. So this is a remote opportunity, and here you can check out the role. All the details are mentioned related to the roles and responsibilities that you can expect in this job. And here are the requirements that the company is looking for. Said that these opportunities are remote job opportunities, so you can work from home or anywhere. And depending on your skills, experiences, and qualifications, you can check out any of these job roles and apply. Said the next company that is almost always hiring for remote jobs is Clipboard Health, and here's the company's website. The company mainly used to connect professionals with healthcare facilities uh, from different part of the world, and it offers remote job opportunities. So here's the company's website. You can check the website, and Clipboard offers 100% remote job opportunities and unlimited paid time off, competitive family leave options. The company has a global remote first team of hundreds of people, and here are the different job opportunities that you can check. So depending on your geographic location, your qualification, and the type of job that you wish to work upon, and your interest, you can check out any of these job profiles. So there are jobs in customer operations, like billing, and there is customer support, worker operations, and then There is data analyst job, engineering jobs, there is legal and risk related jobs, and operations related jobs, product related jobs. There's strategy in operations related jobs and jobs in recruitment and sales. So depending on your qualification and interest area, you can check out any of the positions. Here you can see customer operations, you can check out the roles like training specialist, customer support. If you are interested in billing related job opportunities, you can check out, and depending on your geographic location, for example, they have job openings for Philippines, USA, Latin, South Africa, India, and Poland, Mexico, South America, Jamaica, and some of these jobs are global remote job opportunities. So no matter from which part of the world you belong, you can apply in these jobs. Some of these jobs are location dependent, and while others are global jobs, so that you can do from any part of the world. As I said, these are all the company offers full-time remote job opportunities. So go ahead and check out all these roles, and based on your qualifications and skills, you can apply for any of these job roles. And here Khan Academy is hiring for multiple remote positions, and you might already be aware that Khan Academy is mainly a company into education, and the company offers various online courses to students all over India, and the company used to hire for various remote job positions, especially related to subject matter experts. It can be a subject matter expert or content writer or like in different subject area. For example, it could be engineering, English, chemistry, maths, or like any other language. If you have knowledge of language, if you have knowledge of Telugu language, so here the company has a position for Telugu language expert as well. And the company also has some positions for international candidates, and some of the positions are full time, whereas some positions are freelance positions. If we talk about the perks, the company offers competitive salaries, and you will be getting health and wellness benefits. You will be having flexible time off, paid parental leave, and affinity groups, fun virtual events, and 401k matching. So these are the benefits, along with the work from home or a remote working opportunity. You will be having different perks and benefits. Here is the list of positions that are available currently with the company. And if you are from India, here is a list of positions. So most of them are freelance positions. For example, there is English chemistry content creator, English chemistry subject matter expert, and then there is physics content creator, then Hindi science chemistry video localization expert. So if you are a subject matter expert or you are an expert in any particular subject, you can choose any language, like you can choose either English or Hindi. So it is up to you. The company is offering both the opportunities for, especially for physics and chemistry subject. So if you have read the subject in English and you prefer English language, you can apply accordingly. Otherwise, you can also otherwise the company also offers Hindi medium or Hindi science video localization expert. Or now here, apart from this, the company is also offering Kannada video localization expert. Then there is maths content creator freelance. Okay, maths content creator freelance for grades 11 to 12, and then grades 6 to 10, and maths content expert from 6 to 10, grade 6 to 10. The company has project lead position in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Bhubaneswar. So, okay, so these are not remote positions. So, for the positions which are remote positions, the company has mentioned below the positions that if they are remote or if they are freelance. So the company has mentioned everything. You can see the list of the positions, and based on your interest and expertise area, you can check out any of the jobs available within the company, and select what could be the best position for you. Third company that is almost always hiring for remote job opportunities is Wing Assistant. And here's the company's website. So the company offers 100% remote job opportunities for people from different parts of the world. Most of the jobs that the company offers are global remote jobs. And here, join the top 1% of remote workers and build your career today. So here it is written that the company is currently accepting applications for a wide range of virtual assistant positions, and all positions are remote and can be served from anywhere in the world except for some positions marked as US only. So here you can check out the job opportunities. Based on your geographic location, your qualification and interest, you can apply for any of the job roles. So they have job positions in accounting, writing, marketing, customer experience, customer service, and e-commerce, executive assistant, design and development, and they have virtual assistant roles, sales and marketing roles. Now, as I said that the company offers 100% remote job positions, and you can work from the comfort of your home or anywhere you feel the most productive. And they have attractive compensation and job security. So they have written that we recruit for the long term, and our assistants receive above market salaries, appraisals and incentives, and growth opportunities, etc. Depending on your interest and qualification or experience, you can apply for any of these job roles. For example, here is general virtual assistant role. So here this is a remote job opportunity for people from India, and here you can check out the role. Everything is mentioned here. So here you can check out the roles and responsibilities. Position of general virtual assistant, and this is a remote job, and the salary is up to 32,000 per month. So likewise, you can check out other roles as well. For example, social media assistant role, technical support representative, and depending on your qualification and expertise, you can apply for any of these job roles. And here for Mexico, for US, or you can also check for Philippines and other parts of the world. So yeah, go ahead and check out all the profiles that are mentioned here. So go ahead and check out all the details. So all the three companies are almost always hiring for remote jobs. No matter what is your geographic location, what is your qualification or experience, you can check out these companies and different job profiles that the company is offering, and based on your knowledge, your experience, skill set, and 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 the qualification or your interest area, you can apply for any of the job roles. Don't wait, go ahead and yeah, thank you for listening.